Beauty, and today's review is about a local brand that I wanted to try for a very long period of time, and I've chosen a very famous and hot cake of the brand. It's basically an eyeshadow palette, and show palette from Say Beauty. Here it is. Uh, Let me show you the shades that we have got over here. Okay, the variety of shimmery and matte shades, as you can see, and you can create a variety of look through this. So I have that one here now, as you can just see, and I'm going to do a simple eye look. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Okay guys, I'm going to use the Ingrid Cosmetics Mineral Silk and Lip Foundation as my eyeshadow base. It is to create an even and a smooth base, and I found out that it creates lovely colors when I use it. Brings out the depth of the color and the real color from the eyeshadow. So I'm going to just blend it really well, and I'm going to just set it through the pressed powder that I have used from Body Shop Cosmetics, and it actually sets it in place and make sure that everything is nice and it's nice base for the eyes to go ahead as a canvas. So I have picked up Lali from the crease blender for my crease outline and orangish red color, and I'm going to blend it outwards toward the outer corner of my eye, and evenly I have to do that through a fluffy brush and make sure it creates a dimension. And for my lid color I have chosen Meaty, a bright pinkish color, although it was a crease color, but I'm going to use it for my lid, and I'm going to use my fingers so the intensity of the color could be seen on the eye, and I'm going to just blend it through the brush evenly. Yes. Yes, so I'm going to do that meaty color on the lower lash line as well in order to create a fuller look so the eyes don't look boring or flat. The main thing that you have to focus is that you have to blend it a lot so that it just becomes even and not too harsh and creates a very nice, bright, smooth color. And I'm just using the lolly brush as well in order to just blend it really well. And for the highlighters I'm going to use a very pinkish beautiful highlighter on the lids. It's known as Gulabo, and I'm going to use my fingers again so that it just pops out my eyelids, and it's not just lost somewhere, and it just stays on the top of the eyes. For my highlighter I'm going to use a silverish glittery eyeshadow. It's known as Chanda, and I'm going to use a smaller brush and apply it on the inner corners of my eye in order to make it look bright and bigger. So yeah, making sure that's there. Hi. So here's the full eyeshadow look. You can have a look at it. I've tried to create a pink eyeshadow look from the crease color, although it was written that it is supposed to be used on the crease, but I used it on the lid along with the other red orangish eyeshadow base. And I hope you like it. And if you want to see me in like other looks from this palette, then just let me know. Love you. Bye.